So it is no surprise to anybody, right, that 2022 for crypto was, let's just say, horrific. Would you agree?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
It
pretty
started
much.
in the back half of 2021 and got progressively worse throughout the year.
Just kept going down. Okay.
Yeah.
So you and I covered Shiba Inu for a while, actually every day for year plus or more. So the fact that SHIB is actually doing some surprising stuff in far as kind of this trend line that we're about to talk about is pretty cool. By the way, ClearCryptos, links description below. Check them out. Okay. So basically, holder base continues to grow, and that kind of leads us back in, Zach, to the opening statement of grew holders in 22, even when there was an extremely bearish market going on. And so what are your thoughts here?
I think it's a great sign because you can't say this for all of the top cryptocurrencies. A lot of people kind of exited the markets, but this shows you that, yeah, there might have been. Here's what I think. I think there might have been a lot of people who made some money on Shiba Inu who got out of it completely, right? But now they're looking at the price points. They're saying, wait a minute, these are the price points that we were near, in June of 2021. Remember those dog days of summer that we were there covering SHIB. I can get back in here now and wait for the next bull run. Hell yeah, this is a great opportunity. So, and I think you have some new folks coming in too that may have missed the boat in 2021, late in 2021, that says, hey, I'm not going to miss it again. These prices are back down here. I mean, this is great chance here to make some nice gains when this thing comes back.
Well, I know that this is something that on that note, that's something that you and I've talked about, is we've talked about kind of how Shiba Inu is, what I call is it's a gateway crypto, I think I probably stole it from you, but it's mine now. I own it. As far as anybody asks, I created it. So there you go.
Okay. All right. We can both say it, but I'm just saying.
I created it. No, no, but I think it is. It's, low price, global availability, et cetera. And I think that if we get any type of a bull run, which we are expecting in 23, I think we'll see holders grow significantly. What's your final thought on that?
Yeah, I mean, the thing is, we know what happens in a bull run with all crypto, but especially SHIB, right? Because it's that gateway to crypto. So many people flock to it because of the price point. It's got the social media presence. It's got the holder base. The word travels fast about Shiba Inu in a bull run. And this just shows us that word's still getting around, even in this type of market, which is positive, man. We didn't know what was going to happen really with SHIB. This is the first bear market they've ever been in, right? Because SHIB launched in August 2020. They've never been in a tough time, and especially something like this, where worst inflation in 40 years, recession, and all in all, man. I mean, we've come out of it pretty good.
Yeah. No, massive LP sustained. Yeah, they look good. So good final thought. We're going to end there. If you want to learn more about ClearCryptos, number one, subscribe to the channel. Check out the other content creators. A lot of good stuff, and links in the description below. Get involved in their Discord. Lots of big stuff coming from Clear. Check them out. We'll see you. Bye.